Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. Someone was walking their dog when the leash got stuck in the elevator. It took a few seconds for this person to notice the dog hanging there. This person released the dog from their harness and the dog was unharmed. These parents found out that their child has a meltdown whenever they moo at them.
Alright, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got reverse right here. That's your clutch. That's your brake. That's your gas. You take this down whenever you're ready to go. You got that all?
When I turn into a grown up, I don't want to be a fat grown up. I want to be a skinny grown up.
Do you know any fat grown ups?
It's more right French fries.
I think this is the first time I've ever seen a bird get jealous.
Door. If you're haunted, say.
I think this kid is gonna be a future vegetarian.
No.
Yeah, that's chicken nuggets. You know when you have chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
It's made out of chicken. That's a chicken.
This is why you shouldn't fall asleep on the subway in New York City. Because of the sharp decline in bee populations, scientists are trying to build tiny robots that can artificially pollinate plants.
Stop. That hurts. Moira, that hurts. Ow.
This influencer on Instagram thought he was getting arrested, but this police officer just wanted to get a picture with him.
He want a picture with him.
It's this poor little hamster's very first time interacting with humans. Don't worry, the hamster eventually calmed down. It is possible for a ski resort to get too much snow, and this is what it looks like. I am currently in the Cayman Islands, and I recorded this sunset to share with all of you. That is the end of this video, or we hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.